Hello everyone and welcome. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas Eve. Today I want to paint a little glass ornament out of this big box of 24. I'm going to be painting this one red because we all know that is the best Christmas color. I'm a little biased and I'm only saying that to poke fun at my mom, whose favorite color is green. Sorry, Mom, you know I couldn't resist. Y'all, I'm going to get started using the Happy Dot & Company stencil here. I use it to find my center because, let's face it, we all know I need the help. I'm going to leave a link for this and everything I use in this video down in the description. You guys, I'm also going to leave you a playlist of all of my 3-inch mandala tutorials. That way you can make ornaments all year long if you wanted to. I'm telling you, any of those would make a beautiful ornament. I'm going to get started today by painting the ornament red. Let's get to it, you guys. This is going to be fun. you probably don't know this about me, but my favorite outdoor decorations are red and white like candy canes. I'm not real big on eating peppermint sticks, but I love, love, love the decorating. I don't know what it is. It just screams Christmas, and I try to keep the outside of my house red and white all season long. You guys, I hope this video really helped you out today. If you needed a little something extra for your hands to do, I couldn't imagine spending Christmas Eve with anyone else. You guys, here's a whole playlist of 3-inch mandalas. I hope you give them a try. And until tomorrow, rock on.